going to talk about how to use a business trust as a substitute for a prenuptial agreement. People come to us with a variety of different situations and problems, and a business trust is really tremendous in its flexibility and its application. It's even better than a prenuptial agreement because of the fact you don't have to get anybody to sign anything. Well, anybody, that being your future spouse. In the case of using an alternative to a prenuptial agreement, you use the business trust, and basically what happens is that you take all the assets and then you swap title for them out of your personal name, for instance, and you put them in the name of the trust. And so at that point, now they're legally no longer yours. And so by having them no longer legally yours, now there's no contamination, if you will, if you don't commingle the funds, the bank accounts, what have you, with your future spouse. So keep that stuff separate. And so there you have the solution or an alternative rather, how to use a business trust as an alternative to a prenuptial agreement. It's really, it's fairly simple to do. It's a concept, and that's what people, want us to do for them. They want strategies and solutions. So that's what we provide them with. They come up with different situations. Well, they have a dilemma, and how do we solve this kind of a problem? So we offer them a strategy. Well, what if you did this? What if you did that? All we do is ask questions and provide some strategic questioning, some strategic angles, and then they get to decide what they want to do. Anyhow, that's it.